Techno update. Subscribe now.
Dell Xps 13 9370 Review. Design. If you put the last few generations of the XPS 13 in a lineup, you would not be able to tell them apart, unless you looked at the CPU sticker on the deck. However, the XPS 13 9370 stands out with its new, optional gold and white color scheme, along with a slightly slimmer and lighter profile. Dell also sells the 9370 in the XPS 13's traditional silver and black aesthetic. Display. The XPS 13 9370's 13.3-inch, Infinity Edge display has bezels that are 23% thinner than the almost non-existent borders on the XPS 7360. Because there's virtually no frame around the top and sides of the screen, images just seem to pop more. We tested the Dell XPS 13 9370 with both a 3840 by 2160, 4K, Ultra HD, touchscreen and a 1920 by 1080 non-touch screen. Both models offered impressive brightness, color quality and sharpness, though the 4K screen was noticeably better. When I watched the 4K movie Tears of Steel, the neon pink and green lights impressed on both displays, but were richer on the Ultra HD panel. Fine details, such as the wires on a robot's body and the wrinkles in a character's jacket, stood out on both panels, and colors stayed true, even at 90 degrees to the left or right. Performance. For this review, we tested two different configurations of the XPS 13 9370. The high-end model sported a Core i7-8550U CPU, 16GB of RAM, a 1TB SSD and a 4K touchscreen, while the mainstream model had a Core i5-8250U processor, 8GB of RAM, a 256GB SSD and a 1080p non-touch screen. From surfing the web to light gaming and writing portions of this review, both versions of the XPS 13 9370 handled everything we threw at them, without a hiccup. Battery life. No matter which Dell XPS 13 9370 configuration you choose, you'll get above average battery life, but a model with a 1080p non-touch screen lasts several hours longer. The XPS 13 9370 with 1080p non-touch screen lasted 12 hours and 37 minutes on the laptop battery test, which involves continuous surfing over Wi-Fi. The model with the 4K display endured for 8 hours and 53 minutes. Those numbers compare favorably to the ultra-portable category average, 816, and the HP Spectre 13's time of 616. Software. Dell preloads the XPS 13 9370 with a few useful utilities and some bloatware. Dell Power Manager lets you tweak the system settings for maximum performance, with more heat and noise, coolest skin temperature, quietest fan noise or a balance among the three. Dell Help and Support offers tutorials and warrant information. Dell Support Assist checks system health, shows configuration information and helps you download new drivers. Dell Remote Desktop lets you remote control the laptop from another device.